Hi, I'm Colonel Cullen, 65th Commander of the New Orleans District, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and today we're out here in Cameron Parish, southwest of the Mermentau River Basin, visiting our team at the Catfish Point control structure. I'm excited to be joined by the Catfish Point Lockmaster, Mr. Steve Vance, and his team as they continue to operate this critical project within our system. So Steve, this is one of our more remote projects. It takes about 20 minutes to get here by boat or by air to get on site to be able to operate this structure for two key purposes. Number one, to prevent saltwater intrusion into the Mermentau River Basin, and number two, to help support flood risk mitigation. Can you talk to our viewers about how it accomplishes those two missions?
Absolutely. So whenever the salt water comes in from the Gulf, we shut the gates, and it prevents salt water from intruding any further north, which protects the rice-growing region of Louisiana, the Crowley, Jennings, Abbeville, all the way to Lafayette as far east. And that allows the farmers to pump off of the river, use it for irrigation to pump onto their rice fields, crawfish fields, soybean fields, and whatever else needs irrigating. Then whenever we get an abundant amount of rain up north, we will use the gates to open, and we try to maintain a 2.0 mean low Gulf level in the basin to allow for traffic to move, vessel traffic to move through the basin.
You know, Steve, it's amazing when you think about that. So you're enabling and ensuring that we don't have any salt water coming in so we can maintain that large-scale agricultural industry that's supported in the Mermentau River Basin. But at the same time, when we get too much water up north, we're able to safely pass that water into the Gulf of America. Now, once again, this is a remote location. You guys are operating out here at the furthest points of the New Orleans District area of responsibility. Can you talk to us how you operate and maintain this system in such a remote site?
So the guys come out here, they work a 7-on, 7-off schedule. They work 7 days. They'll come out here, they actually live out here for 7 days. They'll bring in all their groceries, all their clothes, all their food, toiletries, whatever they need to sustain themselves for 7 days. They stay here the 7 days. On the 7th day, they will leave and go back to their homes in town. It allows them to keep an eye on the water if it's going in or coming in or going out, and that way they can operate the gates accordingly.
It's amazing when you think about it. I mean, they've got their bunk facilities, they've got cooking facilities, everything they need out here to sustain themselves for these continuous operations. And how it operates in conjunction with its sister project, the Bayou Schooner control structure, helping ensure and maintain the safety and integrity of the Mermentau River Basin. So Steve, I can't thank you enough for you and the team getting out here. We're excited for you to get these gates replaced, realizing this structure was built in 1947 and it's been in operation since. A credit to the operations team and their maintenance efforts to keep this thing up and running. We're excited to get those gates replaced in short order. So, from the New Orleans District, this is Colonel Cullen Jones and Steve Vance, Ession's Building Strong.